This song is called Jaybird. This song is not about a professor. Otherwise known as Dr. Bird, or sometimes called Jaybird, not about a professor. She'll be glad to know that.
Lullaby over me. What will you tell me now? And will you show me how to sing? It's not the way to be. Sing is not the way to be. Fly away, Jaybird. Do not stay, don't sing your lullaby over me. 'Cause I will tell you now, I will show you how safe it's not.